We are going to look at some of the rules that are set up on our example demo and explain how we wrote them. So you can see from our comments that we wrote a rule that said if the shopper checked the box, hide all of the questions assigned to that section. The first thing that we do is go over to our question list and we find the question ID of the checkbox question. So we can see here that the unique question ID of this particular checkbox question is question ID 391. So then we look through our black remarks and we check to make sure that they all belong to the section rules example. And then we go out to form settings and we check to find the ID of the rules example section. So in this case, this is section ID 2. When you're writing rules about sections, you can either use the ID or the name. In this case, we are using the ID of the section. So now we know that our question ID is 391 and our section ID is section 2, and we are ready to write our rule. The first line in the rule statement is selecting question ID 391. And then we have our cause statement, which is that question ID 391 is answered answer option 1, which is the yes answer option in a checkbox question. And then we have our effect statement, which is that we are then disappearing section 2. Whenever you finish writing a rule, the first thing that you want to do is generate a test shop and check to see if the rule is working the way that you expect it to work. So in this case, checking the box hides all of those black remarks from the survey.